They say when words fail, music speaks, and we are blessed to have our musician Raval. So on this World Music Day, here's Darshan's Blue family with some fun game.
Asal May made me a Darshana.
Because of Chogada, I become a Darshana.
मैंने बन रखी ने
हवा बनके
मेरा जिक्र
मैंने बन रखी ने
पहली मोहब्बत.
The song which made me his Darshana was Hava Banke.
When we say Devdas Travel is our favorite, we just don't say it, we mean it. Definitely the sad genre.
It's romantic songs.
Definitely his soothing and peaceful sad genre.
Sad genre because it's like he conveys all the emotions we have felt at some point of the time.
It would be Devdas Travel genre, if that makes sense.
His soothing and peaceful compositions.
Of course, his heartbreak songs.
It's the typical Darshan Rawal love ballad which has intense emotions and is heart-throbbing, just like it.
My favorite is sad genre.
I love his sad songs.
Ajana song that makes me dance like crazy.
Vilaiti Sharab and Chogada Tara makes me dance like crazy.
One song of Darshan that makes me dance like crazy is Vilaiti Sharab.
Chogada Dil Mera Blast and Vilaiti Sharab.
Is Vilaiti Sharab.
Dil Mera Blast.
Chogada and Vilaiti Sharab any day.
Chogada Dil Mera Blast and Vilaiti Sharab.
Vilaiti Sharab any day.
Barish Latan is that song of Darshan which makes me cry the most.
Sari Ki Sari 2.2, Tu Milya and Ek Tarfa.
सारी की सारी हम तुम मिले.
The song which made me cry the most is Marked, as I lost my mother last year.
For me, it's Barish Lete Aana.
This Ek Tarfa Readers.
My song makes me cry the most. It's gonna be Rabba Meher Kari because he dedicated the song to us and also he got the girls. So.
Is Yara Dili Yari.
यारा तेरी यारी में सारे साथ हैं.
तेरी मेरी दोस्ती.
Teri Meri Dosti.
यारा तेरी यारी.
Definitely gonna be Tu Dua.
Tu Milya because this song is really very close to my heart. Dua hai tu hi hai mera kar.
जिसको तुमसे प्यार हो गया तुम्हें दर्शना फ्रेंड्स.
The song that makes me feel like home is Sari Ki Sari.
Undoubtedly, it has to be Sari Ki Sari because it is home to me.
Sari Ki Sari.
Sari Ki Sari because it's not just a song, it's an emotion.
Sari Ki Sari Rabba Meher Kari. It is Rabba Meher Kari because he dedicated that song to us.
Sari Ki Sari and Barish Lete Aana.
Barish Lete Aana.
His first song Pehli Mohabbat.
That song is Barsa.
Sari Ki Sari and Sari Ki Sari 2.0 song of Darshan makes me feel like home.
One word that describes his music for me is heavenly.
For me is peace.
Magical because his music really creates magic with his beautiful voice and amazing composition.
Darshan Rawal's music is an emotion for me.
Remember when Darshan went like Fikr ki raat mein tu sukoon ki neend hai? That's exactly what his music means to us.
Our happiness because listening to his music brings a bright smile on our face. Be it 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. Darshan Rawal's music has always been a savior for me.
His music is a pain healer for me.
Peaceful because his music relaxes me and calms me down. His music is a companion.
Darshan Rawal, thank you for coming in our life and making our life more beautiful.
Thank you for holding our sorrows in your music, Rawal. We really love you and proud of you.
Thank you for never giving up on your dreams and becoming the person and the musician you are today. We love you and we are proud of you.
Your songs are ultimate companions. A single melody is enough to change our whole mood.
Thank you so much, Darshan, for being the best idol. Your music has always been the source of happiness for the lot of people. It's like sukoon for us.
You have been blessing us with your music from past 7 years. Thank you for making your Darshanas immortal through your masterpieces.
I just want to say that Darshan, you are not a musician, you are a magician. Your songs are the only thing that make me feel most alive. Thank you for everything.
I don't know if I'll ever be able to thank you enough or not, but when no one stood behind me, you made sure your music always did. It feels like a dream and privilege to witness your journey, and for blessing our lives with your music, we heartily thank you, Rawal.
Thank you, Darshan, for giving us
You and your music connects our heart to our souls. Thank you for making our lives more beautiful with your presence and your music.
Can't thank you enough for always providing us with good quality music. You and your music is a blessing for all of us.
Your songs always gave us the feeling that you are right here with us. Thank you for giving us all your love through your songs. We love you.